Howdy folks, Moose here. This is the Genaray ESBF 75 bicolor Escort LED floodlight set. There's three of them, 1, 2, and 3, which is lighting up the background. These are my brand new best friends. Why? Well, what you see here is this incredibly light, incredibly compact, close that barn door, you can see how small they are, LED light system that you can use easily if you're a one-man video system or more. Now, these lights, they're LED, okay? That makes them incredibly powerful, very lightweight physically, able to run on these 2 batteries that come with the kit. Very sweet little things. But what's the best part about this whole system as far as I'm concerned? Well, it has to do with this right here, the remote. Now this remote powers all this remotely. So you can stand at the camera. Let's say, for example, you want to take these bicolors, and right now you can see why they're called bicolors. The one on the right is the warmer tungsten. The one on the left is the cooler daylight. Let's say I want to change this, and I want to say I want to make something brighter. I can make it much brighter. I can make it much dimmer. And I'm doing it all remotely, okay? What if, for example, I want to sit there and change the color and go from that tungsten or mix that tungsten to daylight? I can sit there and change it back and forth. Let's say I want to change the left one. I can go to the remote, change the left one, and do the same thing all over again. I can change all of that remotely. And that's all powered by this little remote. Now the beauty of this is that you can be standing at the camera, at your monitor, where it happens to be, and you can remotely change these colors, change the intensities, all that you want as you're looking at your monitor. That gives you incredible amount of control. Now, it's being powered, as I mentioned, by those 2 batteries on the back, okay? But at the same time, the other thing that's very cool about these is the fact that you have your choice. The batteries come with the kit, 2 batteries, or you could do it with the 120, so you can power it into the wall, or you could plug into a cigarette lighter. They come on with this stand, so you can put it with the impact stand and put it on a stand if you want. It comes with a handheld unit. So think about the portability. You could take this, put it on the handheld with a battery, and go into a very small, tight space and light it up. You could put it remotely there, and then what could you do? You can, with the remote, of course, change what's going on with it. Is it going to get brighter, darker? What do you want to do? You can change that to your heart's content. You can, it's just amazing what all you can do or not do with these units. Now the kit comes with the 3 impact stands, all the accessories I'm talking about, which is the batteries, the chargers, their own individual case, and then those go into another case that takes the stands and everything else, all with you, okay, and all comes in this kit that's under 10 pounds, which boggles my mind. Now it comes with a single light diffuser panel in here, and if you look at my hand, you can see it's pretty good light. It's not spectacular light. So if you want to really, make a beautiful, gorgeous light out of these, you're going to need a light modifier that these will shine through, okay? But hey, that could be anything from a curtain to a sheet to a big light panel. So whatever you want to do, you can do it, and that's the beauty of these things. So these are the Genaray bicolor LED Escort floodlights that you can use for video or stills, whatever happens to work, however you need it, with the remote control, making this just an incredibly versatile, just an amazing product that will sit there and light up your world. So check it out, follow the links. I guarantee you will like the light it sheds on your project.